What's up, YouTube? Man, it's been a while. I really ain't had much to tell y'all, shit. So I really, you know, I didn't have nothing to film. But on my way to go pick up the 6.0, we repaired it. I just had them do the bottom end, and I'm gonna go buy some springs and all that, and put my own cam in it and do all that. I can put some springs on it at school, in my engine class. So why spend all the extra money when you do it yourself? But I did have them do the bottom end. That was the most important end to me, so I didn't want to screw that up. But yeah, y'all, I'm on my way to I think it's Automotive Precision Diesel or something like that. And yeah, man, they took care of it. I just had a bent rod. This is from the hydrolocked video. I had a leaking fuel injector, and the I had a bent rod on cylinder 4. So all they did was take it apart. I put all new cam bearings and all new bearings and bolts and all that old shit, and cleaned it up and put it back together. So, all right, man, I'm gonna take y'all. Let's go. This one is mine.
Yeah, I think so too, because it wasn't there earlier. I think they saw your stuff too.
Yeah.
But he did want to talk to you because he's.
Oh, I thought he was gonna clean these. I didn't know. I guess not, huh?
I thought he told me that you told him not to do any head work.
Oh, I thought he was gonna clean them, but oh.
I can ask him, but I don't know.
It's all right. I can take them somewhere else and get them clean. My main concern was that right there, and he got it done. So
yeah, he should be here shortly.
Yeah.
Let me double check.
There's 3, and
these are the lifter trays.
yep, there's 4 right there.
Okay, cool.
See how they got that little step on there? That's so you don't crush that plastic on your lifter trays.
Okay.
And all your lifter trays are in there.
Okay.
Okay.
Appreciate
But
it.
I didn't put them in because we didn't have a camshaft.
You're right.
Okay. So make sure those are the ones that go in there. You got a picture of that, right?
Yep, I got it.
All right.
Yeah.
I wanted to make sure. Now this is a knock sensor. Usually there ain't anything that goes wrong with them unless they get broke here.
Yeah.
Them are the ones that go in the valley, and somebody just put those in. You must have just done that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Kick.
Shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
I got one at home, so I can tie it.
Put that around it. There we go. Yeah, because when you turn, it's gonna want to roll on you.
Yeah. I got some at house. I would just take it easy. I stay right around the corner.
Okay. Yeah. Just watch when you turn because this thing will roll easy.
Yeah, I know it. Yeah.
Okay. It always gets me when somebody always pull out in front of you or something screwed up.
Yeah. I'll ease it on the way to the house.
So yeah, once you get the ratchet strap, just band it to that.
Okay.
You'll be good.
All right.
Sometimes I stick 4x4s there, but I'm all out of 4x4s.
That's
on
cool.
the side.
Just make sure you get in contact with me for that 5.3 though.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me see what he's got for money and if he figured out if his old lady can pay for it or not.
All right.
Okay. But that just happened last night.
Well, I got it if he wants it.
All right. So is your hydraulic tank? Or air?
Yeah, that's a air. Yeah, that's for harm.
Okay.
Appreciate you.
You bet.
Thanks
if you
a
got
lot.
Any questions? Let me know.
Okay.
I'll get that stuff cleaned up for you.
All right.
Okay?
Thanks a lot.
All right.
How long we looking for the clean? A week.
Probably have stuff for you for the weekend.
All right. Cool. All right. Okay, we got the motor back, man. I swear, man, it's been. I can't catch a break, man, with these motors. But I'm gonna ease it onto the house and put my strap on it. So I find me an engine stand and put it on. And get with y'all when I get back to the house. Peace. Okay, YouTube, man, the 6.0 is back home, so y'all already know what's next. Hopefully, dude get back with me, man, on one of his buddies trying to buy the 5.3 that's currently in the Nova. It's coming out soon. As soon as I get some time, go right here. We're gonna get some of this shit in the garage, and yeah. Coming to you soon. Nova 6.0.